This is the main entry hall towards the offices, and it's interesting to see how they created this artificial forest here. Good evening, it's 6 p.m. and I'm here at the Saladaeng BTS Station, and the reason that I'm here is because I want to give you an update regarding a new building that just finished. I'm talking about the Park Silom, and it just opened a few days ago, and it's not completely open yet, but they opened the park here in front and some of the shops inside are open. So let's go and have a look. So this building is located on the corner of Soi Convent and Silom Road, next to the Saladaeng BTS Station. And on this place here used to be my favorite fried chicken place, but they demolished the original shopping mall that was here and constructed this building. And this is the Park Silom, and the Park Silom is a mixed use building, so it's an office space. They have shared offices. It also has a retail space on the first 5 floors. They just opened the Foodland shopping mall, and there are a few shops that opened inside as well. Let's first check out the park here that's in front of the building. And it's actually nice how they created this open space here in the middle of Silom. And Silom normally is a very busy district. There's not a lot of space here next to the BTS. Yeah, I always love these new projects. So let's go and have a peek inside. It all smells very fresh. So there's a Sizzler over there. The Sizzler used to be next door. But you know what? There's an escalator on the outside. Let's use that one to go in. I especially came on this hour because we are having that golden hour where you can get some nice footage. I've been keeping an eye out on this project for quite a while. So this is the escalator that normally would bring you up, but I see it's not working. Here you can go down to the Foodland supermarket. Foodland is a 24 hours supermarket. They always advertise that they're open 366 days. And Foodland is actually the place where I always buy my cheese. They have the best Gouda cheese for the most affordable price. So let me show you a bit more of the rest of the building. And there are a few shops open. So there is an Owndays open, and Owndays is where you can buy glasses, and actually the glasses that I use are from Owndays. This is the back entrance of the building, and as you can see, it's not finished yet. There you have the Mahanakon. Here's a little art gallery or an art exhibition. go up. So these are 4 floors of retail space. And here the flooring is not ready yet, but it's definitely open because some of the shops already opened their first parts. Here's a Lux Optic next to the Owndays, so this is a glasses floor. They're preparing the opening. The Owndays already opened. So let's have a look here. So there is a terrace. Yeah, it's interesting to see how they construct these new buildings, and they all have very interesting architectural features. So here, for example, you have a big hall that has a kind of forest inside, or they are creating or recreating trees. Overlooking Soi Convent. And this is the entrance to the office towers. And it looks like people are already working in here. Saudi Cup. So from here you have the connection towards the BTS. And it actually looks like there might be a direct connection with the BTS in the future, like a skywalk. Here you have a new Sizzler. Sizzler has a new style or a new concept of Sizzler, and they're actually smaller. There's one in Terminal 21 as well, and this one. So the top floor is closed down. I guess the shops are not ready there yet. Yeah, so I think we have to give it a bit of time, and then this will probably be a nice shopping mall in the heart of Silom. Yeah, I always love to see these new projects popping up all over town, and as you can see, this looks pretty clean. Nice addition to the city center. Here is a whole piece of the history of this location. So it used to have the Sivadon Courtyard. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this new office building here, which is called the Park Silom. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. You know I will keep you up to date about anything that goes on in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.